Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, the time has finally arrived. The unboxing of the British box sent to us by Pauly's Hobbies and Things in the UK. So we'll play a little bit of homage to the empire upon which the sun never sets. Alright, let's get into this. I'll set the Union Jack aside. And look at that. Open this way up. Okay, Pauly, we'll turn it that way up. And our guest opener today will be my trusty Victorinox, or Victorinox Super Tinker. I guess I need to sharpen it a little bit in order to get past the strength of the super tape that this is closed with. And a little note from Pauly says, "Hey buddy, enjoy this ration. Cheers from Pauly." Indeed we shall. Fragile, much like the major award in that famous movie that we watch around the holidays. Fragile, it must be from Italy, right? Okay, use a shorter blade. This blade comes with less lame attempts at humor. There we go. Okay, first peek inside the magic box of goodies. This will be our accessory pack, I'm quite sure. Tell you what, let's set the box aside and put this stuff out on the tray just to look at. So there's the heavy duty spork tea, couple of alcohol free antibacterial wipes, stormproof matches with a striker, Dow Egbert's instant coffee, not one but two, count them two, V6 white gum. Oh wait a minute, I misspoke, three, yahoo! And here we have a water purification tablet pack. 4 of them, that'll come in handy. I will indeed use that, but not here at home. Thai Fu tea. White sugar. Another white sugar. Another white sugar. And another white sugar. And here we have creamer, 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 and creamer. Sounds like the name of a movie, right? Creamer versus creamer. And Nescafe coffee. Alright, so that's the accessory pack. And we'll move on to whatever's next. Next up out of the box, Tabasco. A little bottle, the green label. Squeeze peanut butter, yahoo! We love peanut butter, especially MRE peanut butter. Squidge. Looks like some kind of a hazelnut spread with cocoa. That's quite interesting. Looks like a toothpaste tube to me, but it says on it hazelnut with cocoa. That will be quite interesting to try. Packet of Paloma super soft tissues. And what I was hoping was in here is actually in here. Seen Pauly eat this many times on his videos. Natural muesli with milk. Yay! Next up is tomato pasta salad. Pasta and tomato sauce with tomato with basil sauce. That noise you hear in the background is my cat playing with the paper wrapper that this came in. Biscuits, brown S. Can't wait to try those. Or maybe put some of this on there. Vegetarian pasta with beans and tomato sauce. Next up, Slazenger S1 sports drink, raspberry. And then we have fruitcake. Indeed, we love fruitcake. And let's see if it has a best by date on it. Best before January 2018, so it ought to be pretty good. It'll be just fine. Hot chocolate flavored drink, type mint. That'll be good. And grapefruit flavored beverage powder. Cheddar cheese flavored spread. That'll go on the biscuit. And a cereal bar. And then we have 24-hour ration pack review. And that's everything that was in there. Ministry of Defense, 24-hour ration, feedback and prize draw entry form. Interesting. Alright, there we have it, the unboxing of the British 24-hour box sent by Pauly of Pauly's Hobbies and Things in the UK. And we may be able to make actually 3 videos out of the contents of the box. So stay tuned to this channel for videos 1 through 3.